Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this episode, we'll look at how to schedule emails in Gmail to send at a specified date and time in the future. So let's get straight into it. We've logged into our Gmail account and we'll start by choosing the Compose option to write an email. In order to schedule an email, you must enter a valid sender email address for the email to be sent to. So let's do that now. And if we quickly write an email, once we've written our email, we now want to schedule the email for a specified time in the future. To do that, we go down to the Send button, and you'll see there's a small downward arrow next to the Send button. If we click on that downward arrow, you'll see an option appears called Schedule Send. Let's choose that now. Next, we are offered some predetermined future dates and times on which to send the email. We can choose to send it this morning at 8 o'clock, this afternoon, or on the next working day. I'll demonstrate adding a custom time, however, which you can do by choosing Select Date and Time. Let's choose that option. You'll see a calendar view is shown where you can choose a specific date in the future. The time of day the email will be sent is pre-populated based on the current time. However, again, you can tweak that to any time you wish. So let's amend the date and let's amend the time. And in order to schedule that email for later sending, we then choose the Schedule Send option. Let's click that. And you'll see in the bottom left, we have a confirmation message that the email has been set to be scheduled on a specific date and time. Now that is all that is involved in scheduling emails in Gmail. But before we close this guide, however, I do want to show you one more thing, and that is how to review your scheduled emails and edit them before sending if you need to. If we look in the folder list on the left-hand side of the inbox, you'll see that a new folder has appeared called Scheduled. If we click into this label, we'll see that the email that we have just scheduled is stored in that folder. In order to edit the email itself or the scheduled time, Gmail requires that we firstly click into the email and that we then choose to cancel the send. Let's choose that now. And you'll see that we're taken back to the Compose email page. From the screen, you can edit the email as you would do a normal email, and you can reschedule because effectively the schedule has been cancelled. So if we wish to reschedule that for a different time, we just choose Schedule and we can pick this afternoon. I hope you found this Woggle Guide useful. If you have any questions or suggestions for other Woggle Guides, please pop them in the comments below. And please do click like and subscribe below so other users can find it too. Look after yourself until next time.